Okay. I have hummingbirds around where I live. And I have hummingbird feeders. I put my finger by it. The flowers thingy where it drinks out. It went on my finger. Okay. I'm gonna pause it whenever there's not a lot of hummingbirds around. But then I'm gonna film it. I go like this, and then it sits on my finger. But there's lots of bees. I go like this, and then it landed on my finger. I was like, and then I just keep going by its butt, kind of, and then it put its feet on me. I catched one too, but it was a pregnant one. Like I just like petted it. It let me too. It didn't just go, cause like I just hold it like that. It's a great experience, and I literally have not seen anyone have a YouTube video of someone having a hummingbird on their finger. Maybe holding a cup and have them sitting on it, but no. Not on your finger. No. Oh, there's one. Okay, come here. Where did it go? It's right behind there. It's over here. Oh, it's a pregnant one. That'll hold it. It's right there. Okay. Now, gotta duck down. Where are you? Come here. Oh, it's fighting. It almost went on my finger, so this is kind of hard to film.